When it comes to keeping our homes cool and comfortable, especially during those sweltering summer months, we often overlook one crucial aspect: our portable air conditioners. But what if I told you there's a game changer in town that's been making waves in the industry? That's right, folks, I'm talking about the Winter Portable Air Conditioner, and trust me, it's a revelation. So, what is it? It's a compact, easy-to-assemble unit designed to tackle small to medium-sized rooms of up to 500 square feet. Its primary function is to provide effective cooling, but it also comes with a built-in dehumidifier and a fan, making it a triple threat in the world of portable air conditioners. If you're someone who's tired of sweltering in the heat, or perhaps you've got allergies and need to reduce the moisture levels in your home, this baby's got you covered. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. This unit operates at a whisper-quiet 51 decibels at low speed, making it perfect for bedrooms, home offices, or even living rooms. The dehumidifying capacity is an impressive 71 pints per day, and the airflow rate is 430 cubic meters per hour. With 3 operational modes, cool, dehumidify, and fan, you can choose the perfect setting for your needs. Speaking of which, the fan has 3 speeds, so you can fine-tune the airflow to your liking. The power consumption is relatively low at 1,300 watts and 11.6 amps, and it's compatible with standard 115-volt, 60 Hz, single-phase power supplies. But what does this mean in the real world? Let me paint you a picture. Imagine coming home from a long day at work, only to find your bedroom a sweltering hotbox. With the Winter Portable Air Conditioner, you can simply plug it in, turn it on, and instantly start enjoying a refreshing breeze. Or, picture this, you're hosting a backyard barbecue, and the humidity is making everyone feel sticky and uncomfortable. With this unit's dehumidifying abilities, you can quickly reduce the moisture levels and create a more comfortable outdoor space. Now, the verdict. I've got to say, I'm thoroughly impressed with the Winter Portable Air Conditioner. The design is sleek, the performance is top-notch, and the features are more than adequate. My only gripe would be that it's not the most portable unit on the market, but that's a minor quibble. Overall, I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. If you're in the market for a reliable, effective portable air conditioner that won't break the bank, look no further. So, if you're interested in getting your hands on this fantastic unit, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and honest opinions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.